Hi, this is Thomas over at OCRV, just taking you through. We just did a slimline install. This is the Winegard slimline antenna. Currently it's active, looking for the best signal. It's a completely automatic unit. It's pretty much going to give you what we recommend, the best HD signal for your RV. This is for dry camping, if you're hooked up or anything, especially if we've got trees around you or anything like that. This is going to try and go through that and actively look for a signal at all times. You don't have to go in there, crank up an antenna, or try and find the best signal for you, look at bars, anything like that. It does everything for you. So this is definitely something that we recommend whenever you're going HD. So just give us a call whenever you're looking for something like that. We'll be able to help you out.